how to cash on delivery on Shopee. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Shopee app. So in order to enable cash on delivery or COD on Shopee app, first of all you need to go ahead and select the particular product. So in my case I'm just gonna randomly select the product. So let's go with this one. If you like the particular product, now go ahead and add it to your cart. As soon as you're done adding to your cart, now you'll need to log in. So for that I'm just gonna go ahead and log in with my Google account. After that, it's gonna direct you to the other interface. Once the product has been added, now you can go ahead and tap the buy now button located right at the bottom. Go ahead and select the price and all sort of things, and once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and enter in the information as well. After you're done selecting the details, go ahead and tap the buy now button. This is gonna direct you to the summary page or the checkout page, where you can go ahead and click the checkout button in order to proceed on. Add the address. You need to go ahead and enter in your full name, phone number, your province, and all sort of details. Quickly enter in all of the information. Once you're done adding the information, click the save button located right at the bottom. So once you're done entering the information, that's going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select the payment method. So for the payment method, you can either do it online, that is through your online wallet, or you can use their debit card, credit card, or bank account. Along with that, you might also see an option as cash on delivery. So this highly depends on the particular owner, that if he or she has enabled cash on delivery or not. So if you see cash on delivery, just go ahead and tap the cash on delivery button and then click the confirm button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you've successfully ordered a product through cash on delivery. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.